Hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So we're going to be spritzing them. No harvesting for a couple of days because we harvest all of the mushrooms that we're growing. So I'll get straight into spritzing. Ooh, that hurts. So, I'm going to see you tomorrow for it. So I'll see you soon for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms Day 23. So, goodbye! Hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms Day 22 or 23, I cannot remember, or 24. I've lost the track, so let's just 23, day 23. So let's get straight into spritzing. So I'm just going to start spritzing since there's not much exciting happening yet. Now Misty's saying hello. Let's get higher. So I'm going to see you later on in the day that Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So goodbye.